A simple, budget-friendly Sunday meal everyone will love. In a skillet, drizzle a bit of olive oil and then add half of a thinly sliced white onion. Sauté until it becomes nice and soft. Meanwhile, place 4 medium-sized potatoes, chopped, into a pot of water and add a pinch of salt. Let them cook until very tender. Back to the skillet, add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce to the sautéed onions. Now for the star ingredient, 2 cans of drained tuna. Let the tuna cook for about 5 minutes. The final result of this recipe is amazing. Then, take half a cup of the water used to cook the potatoes and pour it into the skillet. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes, until it thickens slightly and the flavors come together. Once the potatoes are cooked, transfer them to a bowl and season with half a tablespoon of butter, salt to taste, black pepper, half a cup of milk. Mash everything really well using a potato masher until you get a smooth puree. Now, in a baking dish greased with olive oil, spread half of the mashed potatoes evenly to make the first layer. Let me ask you, have you ever made a tuna recipe like this before? I'm sure that once you watch until the end, you'll want to make it too. Once the base is ready, add half of the tuna mixture and spread it evenly over the potatoes. Next, add the remaining mashed potatoes and finish with the rest of the tuna, forming the final layer. On top, sprinkle about 7 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the cheese is golden and bubbly. And there you have it, our creamy tuna and potato bake. Perfect to serve for a weekend meal with the family. Try it at home and let me know if they asked for seconds. Thanks so much for watching until the end. See you in the next video with more easy and delicious recipes for your everyday meals.